Popin Media.
Two, one, zero.
But the reason why I push, because I want us to work as a team, I want us to learn from each other, and I want us to be performers. So I push for a good reason. To some of you, I thought you'd be like, and somehow they will not believe. They'll be like, are you serious? Are you for real? But that's the truth about Kayunga. Oh, for sure, that even if it's a family, ups and downs will be there. But Kayunga is a very good district. To their Kayunga. Personally, I had the hand. He's coming. But Kachiiko had sent 3 days and they were all turning down the offer. Yet it was on a promotion, but they kept saying, no, we can't work from Kayunga. So when I suggested his name, having worked in Bunyoro, I had my allies there. They told me he was a very, very good person. I said, he should be the one to Kayunga. So I called him 1,000 times. Douglas, can we meet? There's something I want us to discuss. Sky can be busy. He kept saying, oh, we shall meet, we shall talk, we shall meet. In my head I was like, if he turns down this, and it's the only name that I suggested, I am done. Thank you for accepting to come to Kayunga. Trust me, I'm not going to stay here. It is the best of the best districts. Recently, I had a conference for Central, for non-unionized workers. And trust me, it is a good thing to serve and you live when you're loved. People came from Buvuma, they were like, our own ginger people, we are our own now Kayunga people. They were like, you're ours, please say oh. I felt blessed and loved to have served and left when people still love me. Thank you for my, should I say surprise? Thank you for my surprise. Thank you for my.
Actually, if you want your work to be easy, just be seen, not to be the other side and not to be this side, as election manager. So when I saw some of our colleagues entering here, I somehow felt like, how do we select this? But I want to let you know that your results are still here. The team you built is still here and is still doing the right thing. So I want to encourage everyone that let's do the right thing at the right time. That's when work will be easy for us.